the way to the freedom I've only dreamed of. These are the wings I was never allowed to try. Come closer and hear me. There's a world out there to see. I say this day belongs to me. This is the day I make lovers and friends of strangers. My turn to learn if I'm one of a loving pair. Our love will be gentle, sentimental, baby, sweet. This day belongs to you and me. I believe it. If the stars are in our corner, we'll have love and laughter, and love is long overdue. If you see light in my sympathetic eyes, it's for you, all for you. This is the door that I've waited so long to open. This is the day when I'm given the